panel schedule. The NAC panels are the fire alarm, the additional fire alarm panels that are on 3 and 5, which they're just booster panels. It's not anything you have to worry about. There is batteries in them though. I think Kurt did forget to go over that. I do have, this is just a junction box for all the common area outside. I did come through and label all the conduits with what's in there, so that's what the voltage is that's running through there. On the second floor, I labeled what the pipe was. All that, this is an old top riser, the fire alarm riser, and these guys here.
Go ahead and take a look. Those operate the corridor. So we had these light fixtures put in, and the ownership looked at it, and they seemed to be too dim. So there was a way we could have switched them and put them on the either very low dim setting and a very high dim setting. Some people like the low, some people like the high. So they says, well, maybe what we better do is put this, so you got on off, and then you have dimming.
So when I wired this up, as you can see, the sure light goes on. I wired the sure light up just in case if somebody shut this off, that the sure lights went on, and I don't know why these guys are putting down like this. But you do have battery backup. You got 3 battery backups in each one of these lights.
Oh, I see.
That's the ones that are
Within
on.
the strip.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the test buttons, the red light's the indicator that it's got power, and the black button is your test button. So turn that back on.